Good day everyone. I have here around 3 samples of introduction para dali ka makahimo og introduction. So, as you can see here na ay mga yellow. Kanang mga yellow, okay, colored in yellow, ako na siyang gituyo para makita nimo kung unsaon di ang APA. So, pag duha sila ka buok, duha ka authors, Devrim and Bayort, Tama 2010. You could also have like this, like Su 2018 asserts. So, the year is enclosed in parentheses. How about this one? Anong na page number? Si Esquivel, 2019, page P.58, that's page 58. So, that means kana mismo nga line, I'm going to color it in red, kaninga phrase was taken from the study of Esquivel 2019, page 58. So, if you have taken that line or phrases verbatimly, word for word, you have to indicate the page number. So in this case, Pitogo 2021, wala siya page number kay imong gi-paraphrase. Then, okay, how about this one? Cachero as cited in Bautista 2000. So, there are times nga si Cachero, dili na siya mosulod sa 10 years rule. So, but his insights are very important. So, what you will do is Cachero as cited in Bautista 2000. But pasabot, it could be that Cachero, pwede siya 1990, kunya makita siya sa article ni Bautista 2000. So, ang imong yung nabasa nga article is kang Bautista 2000. And you have noticed na si Cachero gi-mention sa iyang article. Nya, di mo makita ang iyang original article. So, that's why si Cachero is just written this way. Cachero as cited in Bautista 2000. What if duha ka article? So, you can just have like this, Bautista 1997, semicolon, okay, to separate the two authors. Or you can have 3 authors, separate them with a semicolon. So there's a sentence here. I hope you have watched the video already so that you can relate. Nevertheless, there is still paucity of studies on nativization of English as it appears in local newspapers in provincial context. The red text here is actually my comment. This is my comment. The one with an underline means that this is the gap. No? My comment here is this is the gap. The reason why I study this topic is that there is still paucity. There are few studies on nativization of English as it appears in local newspapers in a provincial Philippine context. So you have to indicate that one in your research paper. So that is my gap. Well, there are many types of gaps, but I focused on the paucity of studies, meaning gamay ra ang studies about nativization. And also, you can see here thus this paper explored na sa tungod kay humana mo gud siya nga research paper. Thus this paper explored to determine. So kanang determine mauna siya ang objective. Okay, mauna siya, you have to cite the objective. So that's why it is very important kinaplastar na gid ang objective. Why? Because you have to indicate it in your introduction. Let's have another sample from a stylistics output of mine. Stylistic analysis of Maningning Miklat's poem, Father and I. You see here, kanag yung APA mo, gini pinaka-importante nga gusto na ko makita sa imong output. Kanang sakto nga pagka-cite, di ba? Wales 2011. You can use the word according, pwede na imo gamiton. Several studies, for instance, okay, sa panang mga words diha. So you see here, again, okay, kani siya arrested irresistibly. Gikuha gina ko na word for word gikan sa usa ka article, and then gikan sa isa ka article, and then butangan din ako siya og page number at the end. So another na pud na siya nga technique, another format nga pwede na siya ibutang sa last ang page number, and then sa sugod ang apelyido og ang iyang year. Okay, then if you are going to notice, if you're going to observe, Salem 2012 analyzed. So it means the study. And then Ofot appraised. You can actually use many verbs. Imran as answer, Anabis 2021. Okay, kana siya kay tulo ka buok authors. So nanawon sa pagbuhat some more. Okay, look at my references. Let's have another example. Nativization, forensic. This one, kaning forensic, naperting daghanan ako og references. Zap. Harris, see here? Harris 1984 in Mortensen 2020. Why did I mention Harris 1984 and Mortensen 2020? The reason is that naay article nga recent which is of Mortensen 2020. And since ang article ni Mortensen 2020 nag-specify sa work ni Harris 1984, and then Harris 1984 is for me medyo dugay na kaayo, di na makasulod sa rule nga 10 years. So ako na lang himuon is ang secondary source nga si Mortensen 2020. Mao na akong i-highlight. Dayon ako lang dayong i-specify po si Harris 1984 in the study of Mortensen 2020. So if you're going to translate this, the article or the work of Harris 1984 is mentioned in Mortensen's recent article which is 2020. So that is acceptable. Another one, kaning verbal battlefield, kana naka-enclosed siya with a quotation mark. That means it is taken word for word, gikan gid sa article of Gibbons, 2008, page 116. See? Oh, how about this one? Oxburg et al. 2010 in Katuto 2017. Note that Oxburg et al. Daghan kay na sila nga author. That is why et al. Et al. Means and others. So you don't have to cite all of them here. Again, in the article of Katuto 2017, I was able to read that nindot ang insights ni Oxburn et al. Pero, nindot ang insights, however, 2010 siya. Dili na siya makasulod sa 10 years rule. That's why I'm just going to write it here. Oxburn et al. 2010 in Katuto 2017. Okay? So you don't have to do this all the time, just sparingly. Why? Because you have to go back to the primary source. Kato yung original nga nisulod sa 10 years rule. Okay? So, sparingly, not all the time. Gibbons 2003 is one article. Villanueva and Reynosa 2016 is another article. And I am just going to separate them with a semicolon. I hope klaro ra siya. Do not use the word and. Okay? Use this symbol instead. When you enclose the authors in a parenthesis like this one. Alright? So that's it. God bless to your research activities.